Did you know that 2,000 years ago, the ancient Greeks built a computer more advanced than anything humans would create for the next 1,500 years? In 1901, divers found a mysterious bronze device in an ancient shipwreck off the coast of Greece. For decades, nobody could figure out what it was. Then modern CT scans revealed something incredible. This device, called the Antikythera mechanism, contains 37 perfectly crafted bronze gears that work together like a sophisticated computer. It could predict eclipses years in advance, track the exact positions of planets, and even calculate when the Olympic Games would happen. The precision rivals Swiss watches, and inscriptions on the device call it a cosmos in a box. But here's the mind-blowing part. The Greeks used mathematical principles to build this machine that weren't supposed to be discovered until centuries later. This single discovery completely changed what we thought ancient civilizations were capable of. It makes you wonder what other incredible technologies from the past are still waiting to be found.